Hello, my name is Ian Antonio Patterson, host and producer of the English Coach podcast. Now, I'm so happy to be here today because I will be demonstrating something very fresh and new and interesting and fun. Now, as you can see on the screen, there is written virtual worlds, and that is what I will be presenting or demonstrating to you today. Now, it's all about showing you how it looks and how it feels, showing you the resources that are there, the media walls, the spaces through which you can move freely, the use of your voice in real time, talking to me in real time, and you talking to your partners in real time, or live communication, perfect for language learning. And use of emojis, how you can move, how you can use gestures, and all these things to effectively communicate in a live virtual reality space. Now, most of you, when you hear about virtual reality these days, we're hearing a lot about Meta. We're hearing a lot about blockchain. We're hearing a lot about 3D worlds and all these things. And sometimes the first thing that comes to mind is these funny little goggles that cover half of your face and these two-hand controllers, and we're moving like this and looking strange to everyone else. You do not need to have one of these goggles. I do not want to force anyone to make that kind of investment, which starts at something like 400 euros, yes, up to something like 1,500. I'm not forcing anyone to make that kind of investment now. You do not need to. Right? You can do everything that you will see me doing in this short demonstration with your keyboard and your mouse. For this particular demonstration, I'll be using perhaps 2 or 3 keys plus my mouse, and that's all you need, right? You don't need these fancy goggles yet. If you feel as if you want one later, when you become a hardcore VR user, then of course, feel free to use one. But I've been doing this. I've been using these spaces for the past 2 years, and I have never bought one. Been working as an online trainer since 2014, as an English trainer since 2009. And up until this day, this moment when I'm working in VR, I haven't felt the need to invest in any of those. So if you want to buy one later, you can. So don't feel pressured into thinking that you have to get one. The other thing that I'm going to talk to you about today is access. Most of the training media offerings that I do online, they are really to serve small groups of participants. I'm not doing it for the world. I'm not gonna maybe I post this video to YouTube, but generally I don't post my videos to YouTube and LinkedIn and Instagram and all over the world. I don't work for those people. I work for a small group of participants who I know are interested in pursuing a particular goal, which is usually learning English. I like to know the people who I serve. So if you're interested, and I'm going to tell you how to do this, you can contact me. Tell me that you're interested. Tell me what exactly you're interested in by just using the contact form that you will see at the podcast page, englishcoachpodcast.com. Just go up to contact, and then you will see a checkbox, and you can tell me what exactly you're interested in. If you're interested in this kind of thing after seeing the demonstration, I would be happy to set up an account for you manually and send you invitations by email for the events as they come up. All right. So I hope you enjoy this demonstration, and please do tell me what you think if you find the time, and feel free also to share the link with a friend. All right. So Ian Antonio Patterson again, and I hope you enjoy. Okay. So as you can see, I've just blended this in. This is what you will see when you enter the virtual space. And it's a very nice view. Yes, remember it's virtual reality, so it's not really real. It looks like a cartoon. But the wonderful thing about it, as I said, it's all in real time. So you can move quite easily. Now I'm going to be moving just by turning my head like this, right? There we go, turning all the way around first so you see the room from where I am. This is the first media screen, as you can see on the left in black. And moving around, there is a second one straight ahead in white. Right? There's a table right in front of me. It looks like a pool table without the holes, but from this little microphone speaker thing in the middle, it is a boardroom table. We won't be using that. We won't be needing that. When I speak, everybody will be able to hear what it is I'm saying, and I can turn that down. You can turn that down as well, I think. And the good thing about these spaces is that it's gonna be, imagine this space filled with avatars. And the people who are closest to you are the people who you hear loudest.